Hello students, this is Namrata Rodrigues, and today we are going to discuss the new topic, that is REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, in this video you will come to know that what is REIT, how REIT works, what is the mechanism of REIT, and what are benefits of investing in REIT. As you all know guys, that institute ICSI has introduced many new topics in your syllabus, and this topics is applicable from June 21 attempt onwards. So the students who are giving attempt in December 21, this video will be very helpful. But before I move ahead with concept of REIT, I just want to give you a brief idea of Unacademy. Now, as you know that Yashas have joined hands with Unacademy, and for CS Executive, December 21, Module 2, the batches are already being started from 11th of August 2021. And in the platform of Unacademy, you will be learning from the top educators. Now you must be thinking that, ma'am, if already the batches has been started, then what about the previous session? Not to worry. Obviously, you can watch this session recorded n number of times. Yes, n number of times means there is no restrictions at all. Plus, you will get all notes under one platform. Then what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Unacademy, and whenever you subscribe, please use the code YASHASH to avail 10% discount. I always feel that it is a right of students to get quality educations. So please subscribe to Unacademy. Now we will start with the concept of REIT. Now, basically, what is REIT? REIT is nothing but Real Estate Investment Trust. If you want to invest in real estate, see, the name itself implies real estate. So, if you want to invest in real estate, okay, one method is to direct investment. Matlab you directly invest in land and building. Matlab you directly purchase land and building. Actually, to purchase land and building, sometimes it becomes unaffordable because it requires huge investment. The second method, you can invest in REIT. You can invest in REIT. Oh ma'am, what is REIT basically? REIT is nothing but Real Estate Investment Trust. It normally works like a mutual fund. It's similar to mutual funds. It's work like a mutual fund. So how mutual funds work, you guys know how it works. It pulls the assets, they invest in the capital market, they diversify, they generate income, and then they return back to investor after deducting the transaction cost. Same way, REIT also work in the similar way. So basically what REIT does, REIT pulls the assets from the investors. Now, and when they pull the assets, obviously they are called as unit holders. Those that investors are called as unit holders because they issue units. So they are called as unit holders. Now, REIT will invest in properties, real estate properties. With that money, they will purchase commercial properties, residential properties, hotels, departmental stores, shopping malls. Okay? Now, what they will do with that property? They will give that property on a rental basis. So through rental basis, they will earn income. They will earn income through rental basis. Plus, they will also earn income through buying and selling of the property. Areva, matlab REIT is going to get income by the way of rental income also, plus capital gain also by selling and buying the property. Now, this income they have generated, then they will return back to investor after deducting their transaction cost. It means basically you guys have invested in a real estate property but through REIT. Is it not more beneficial rather than directly investing in land and building? The more benefit, the most benefit is, like, if you invest directly, you require huge investment. Here, it's very small investment. It starts with basically 10,000 to 15,000. Now, you must be thinking, ma'am, first it was 50,000. Minimum investment was 50,000. Now, SEBI has issued guidelines and reduced the limit from 50,000 to 10,000, with a range of 10,000 to 15,000. Now, let's see the notes, how it is, how REIT basically works. We'll just read it, we'll go through it. REIT allows anyone to invest in portfolio of real estate. See guys, what it is written, real estate. Okay, so this is real estate assets. And the same way they invest in other industry through the purchase of individual company stock or through mutual fund. Matlab, how mutual fund works, the same way REIT also works. The stockholder of the REIT earns share of the income produced through real estate investment without buying any finance property. So obviously investor will get the benefit of the rental income plus capital gain, but without buying any finance property. Now these are basically the benefits of REIT. First, I already told bacha, it is less capital intensive, because if you invest directly, you need to invest huge amount. Here you can start the investment by just investing 10,000 to 15,000. So direct investment in real property is very capital intensive, but the shares of REIT will be comparatively more affordable, right? Suitable for small investors. Obviously, small investors cannot make huge investment, right? So rather than investing directly, they invest in REIT. So it is suitable for small investor. Investing through REIT will eliminate the dealing with builders, avoiding potential exposures to big builders. Matlab, obviously investing in REIT will be more hassle free. Okay, there will be no hassle. Okay, next, transparency will be maintained because the units of REIT are listed on stock exchange. If I say units of REIT are listed on stock exchange, they need to disclose everything and they need to maintain the transparency. That is my third point. And definitely you will get the returns, assured dividends. Okay, definitely you will get the returns, because there is a guidelines of SEBI that if the income of REIT is 100 rupees, then at least 90% of the income should be distributed to the investor. And it's compulsory, it's mandatory. So if REIT earns 100 rupees, the net income of the REIT is 100 rupees. Obviously out of 100, 90 rupees will be passed on to the investor. So you will definitely get assured dividend. So यहाँ पे REIT generates income in the form of dividend, then REIT dividends payment is relatively assured, and most of their income is in the form of rental income. I told you that. Obviously the dividend which investor receive is a tax free. Next, fast capital appreciation. Obviously they are investing in real estate property, and nowadays, you know guys, the properties value are increasing so fast, so there will be a fast capital appreciation. Your capital, what you have invested, will get appreciated. Next, it's very easy to buy. It's very easy to buy. Just go to real estate investment trust, you just fill up the form, done with it, they will issue you the units. Simple. So REITs are very similar to mutual fund. My first line was REITs are very similar to mutual funds and the shares, and they provide income by the way of two incomes. One, dividend, that will be your rental income, and second through buying and selling of property, that is your capital appreciation. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you very much.